I hold down the shift key. We have clashes here. It's better to change the place of our supply duct. I will tell you later. I hold down the left mouse key, select these, then go to this section. Without clicking on anything, I go to section 7 and check the section 6. They are here, and move them with the keyboard arrow keys. And I temporarily move it upward. They must be sure that they are aligned. They are not aligned. Okay, it makes an error for us. So I change the visual view, graphic display. I go to the text and change it and uncheck the include. This is 3. It means the 3 views depend on these view templates. I uncheck the model display and wireframe. So now I can align them with each other. I select the diffusers first and then duct. And I go to hidden again, hidden view. I select the diffuser, right click on it, draw a duct, and move it upward. Just click and check the automatical connect tool must be enabled, and for this one too, and change the direction to this, like this. I return to the ceiling level like this, and pay attention to this because the return to here, so this shape must be check. It is on direction of the flow. For this conflict, I go to the level 1 and I change the adapter to right. I hold down the left mouse click, and for this too, very easy. So there's no clash or conflict here. And change the position of the sizes. You can rectify this like this and use the cap at the end. This is for this space, or you can place your diffusers to left side. Pay attention, it must place exactly on the edge of the tiles, and no problem and any conflicts with the lightings. If any lightings are there, you may prevent the conflicts. And you have to suppose to make a return for other spaces. Use create similar and use the height as 10. Let me check. These 100 CFMs for here and here, and estimately 120 CFM for here. And I select this one and using the mirror tool, and copy must be checked. How much CFM we need? 230, 10 by 5 or 8 by 8. so I use 8 by 8. I connect them with trim and extend tool. I move it a little upward and do it for another duct too. And using the cap at the end of this duct, and select the cap and move it upward.